All right, sanibona Zulu Nation, Bingelele, Black South African and South African patriots at large. Ngibuyela kulolu daba lolu uh, lwama-foreigner illegal immigrants, mass migrants. Ngibuyele ekutheni ngathi ngo-2020 mangibuka i-participation ye-ANC, mangibuka ngendlela i-ANC ne-DA kwangena ngisho nenkatha benza ngakhona ngodaba lwe-COVID. Ngathola isithombe lapho ukuthi kwenzakalani, especially uma ubuka uhlangothi lwe-IFP, because i-IFP i-IFP iyasidoma abanye bethu kakhulu njengoba ninaka abaningi nenadonywa yi-ANC. So i-IFP yazibeka ngazathi ilwela izizwe ezimnyama, South Africa, isizwe samaZulu, ubukhosi bethu nakho konke. Ngoba ngicabanga ku-30 years sikubonile lokho ukuthi akusile iqiniso, because sakuthatha isikhathi eside kanjalo ukulwela ubulungiswa, whether via ubulungiswa bokubuyiselwa komhlaba wengonyama noma umhlaba wama-Black South African ey'ndaweni ezahlukehlukene, noma ukulwela ukuthi ayikho ingonyama ekhonza phansi kwe-republic noma phansi ka-president. Asikubonanga lokho inkatha ikwenza, siyibonanga inkatha ilwela ukuthi balwe kancane, akusikulwa leya nto ukuthi balwele ulundi. Sibone nje inkatha into enkulu, inkatha elwele ukuvikela amabhizinisi abelungu nawamandiya nawamashayina, futhi abanandaba nokuthi baxhaphaza abantu kanjani, abanandaba. Futhi-ke enkatheni abantu bakhona abaningi abathanda ukusebenza, in a way kusho ukuthi bayamavila. Bengaqapheli, or rather mhlambe ngi-ignorant. Ngathi i-organization eyathandwa nje abantu abavilaphayo nabangamfiseli umuntu wakubo kuhle. It's very tough to acknowledge this because ngenkathi kusivelela sijoyina i-IFP, well ikithi sikhula abazali ubaba i-IFP, then umama wajoyina 1990, and then mina ngase ngiyajoyina ngo-1996. So actually ngijoyine officially ngo-97, all right, but ngo-96 bese kuvele ngibajwayela kanjalo. And then inzondo nomona engahlangabezana nawo enkatheni, even today i-distraction eyenzekile empilweni yami enkulu comes from IFP people enye nga-associate nabo. Mona, it's like ngathi ngavele ngangena esidlekeni sabathakathi. All right. So mind you, Tina, the IFP that we understood in the 80s, kwakwamakholwa, kwakwabefundisa abasindisiwe. The IFP, when we were growing up, was an organization of amakholwa nabantu besintu abanobuntu. But when I came ngo-96, it was something else other than what we saw our parents and the previous IFP have been, because ngangena i-youth le IFP, like i-youth eyiphethe i-IFP ngama-80s iqeda kuphuma. Those people were decent people. Ngafica kungene abantu abanye abarecruitwe ngemali la Soweto Sinawane. iSinawane neDlamini yizo ezasungula inkatha eTransvaal. All right, these are the first branches which were launched of the IFP outside KZN in 1975. All right. So our parents are the very first of people to join the IFP in 1975. So, but when I came, 197, okay, angibonakala because I was not in any position, and ngingafuni ukungena position because you see mina I'm an engineer by qualification, so I just wanted to be in politics for 5 years, and then ngalesikhathi ngitsho ukuthi just to give back to my community by enhancing and strengthening the opposition politics kwi-black South African society, ngoba ngiqaphela ngiyazi i-ANC ukuthi izinja ezikhohlakele abathakathi abakhulu. So I lived in ANC environments throughout my life, be it here in Sinawane or eQwaqwa, boarding school Tseki, Durban, Umlazi, Durban, Chesterville. I was just in an ANC environments. Though umlazi ngalesikhathi wawunenkathi eningi, but le side mina bengihlala kule mlazi was ANC core. Tertiary, ML Sultan stroke Natal Technikon into DUT. I was there. So I was not a politician, but I was listening to ANC people and also PAC people and learning a lot of things about their propaganda, honestly, against the IFP, because there was a lot of lies and propaganda at that stage. So ultimately ke ngabona ukuthi inkulu lengozi, so mase ngiqala ngisebenza ngithi okay, let me just dedicate 5 years into strengthening opposition politics. And I was fully against the ANC because I knew they were the enemies of black South Africans, and then I was fully against the DP because I realized with the DP and ANC are one and the same thing. I still have those summary of policies which were given by Christians for Truth, who were based in West Street, Durban, who distributed pamphlets which Durban Peace Rally 1 week before 1994 elections, because we went there because I was studying at ML Sultan Sobes, being a campaign yamakrestu somewhere deep eMbumbulu, sihlangane namakrestu abelungu njani njani. So we had a camp, yeah. So masiphume ecampini eyethi taxi bakhuthaza ukuthi siye kwi-Durban Peace Rally. So that's how I was there. By God's grace, I was there. So now, in giving back from the emphasis of my being a Christian and understanding the IFP to be Christian, and also noting what the new ACDP was as Christian as the IFP, because ACDP, my launcher, most of their policies were what the IFP stood for. So I compare IFP as a result, because, and then I was happy also about the SADP. All right, so we didn't move to the ACDP because the IFP was very Christian at that stage. All right, so but mangena abathakathi engihlangane nabo labantu bebelilawyer umono nje. I've never seen people who are now. It's not yeah. In my personal life, bengiqala ukuba with direct confrontation with the people who seek your demise for trying to help them. All right. So, but before ngena go active, the day ngiqeda ukujoyina, there are 2 guys or 3 guys who came to me. All right. Sama ngaseSkyline, and they told me ukuthi be careful Bongani. Just thina silokhu sila kwe-IFP bebena 2 years kule IFP ebe-recruitwe ubhuti wayedumile la, ubhuti Mthandeni, and then labantu abebarecruitile kusho ukuthi basebeyithathe njenge-youth e-owner i-IFP. So this is where nasty things happen, because labantu abarecruitwe ngaleya ndlela they were not good people, all right, and they were not best at school. Abantu nje like abangathandi nesikole, and then at the same time futhi bekwabantu like bathanda ukuba ubotleve elokishini or something like that, yabo lento nje, the type of people that you expected to find in the ANC, because that's how the ANC was, and then I was now finding them in the IFP. Ngithi kwenzakalani la anyway. So respecting ama-systems owathola owafica enjalo and the likes, and then yeah, but I would say unless from my ngase ngiyavudelwa ngingafuni ukuba i-chairperson ye-youth esina or rather ku-Ward 15. Dearest Lord, dearest Lord. Wow. So we saw shocking things get up, and that's the early stages where I realized also how IFP leaders work. And then I'm just let me ngoba ngizophelelwa ilento space lapho because akuna space esiningi sokwenza ama-long videos. So let me just say I learned IFP people are very hateful. I would say 80% of them banenhliziyo ezimbi, and then abamfisela omunye umuntu okuhle. They will go all out to destroy a person. Their leaders including their senior leaders. Abantu abanomona. These are the category of people that are supposed to be witches, and they are witches. You help them with your money, they go and do nasty things ezangomeni nasey'nyangeni to make you to fail in life. All right, before uzothakatha Sowetan aqhamuka eMalawi, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, akade ecashe ngokuthi amaZulu, Xhosa kanjalo. Before lawyer labo mabefika bafika sibe brutal bezokuloya. Abantu abavula isango ngokuqala amaZulu akini, or even the IFP folk, they are the first ones to hit you, and then laba mabefika bafika bezokuqedelela. Sisinda ngoJesu. Ngabe kudala sahlanyiswa bazalwane. Yo. So izinto engisayisafara namhlanje even in my home stem exactly from IFP envy. So we thought ukuthi hayi abantu abawuhlangothi oluthize within the IFP, and truly it was. And then but those people advanced because IFP within in a fraud enkulu in terms of election to seniority. So in iziqhwaga nama-owner aweqembu. So now those people are the ones who determine the election outcome. So the elections there are never free and fair. So yeah, and yila bantu engibabiza ama-owner awenkatha, so nama-gatekeepers apho lawo bantu bakhohlakele. So I saw nasty things, and it's very disappointing. And then ngaba i-chairperson nga-opposwa ila bantu babo through and through. And then kuningi nje okwazivelela ukuthi sengishayazi indaba yesikhathi ngiyaphendika ngoba izocisha noma kunini lento. So